Hi Wheelies, this is a video done after the fix, but basically what I'm going to explain to you is that this pump, this Chinese diesel heater, has been in here for 3 years now nearly, and got a lot of use obviously when we're in Georgia. But what's happened is the pump had stopped working. So what I did is disconnect the power from the pump and the main power, take the pump out, unclipping the fuel lines, drain them out, drain the filter from the bottom, and cleaned everything out. This filter had muck in it. It's a fine gauze filter, but I think we picked up some dirty diesel along the road somewhere, and it stopped the pump working. Took the pump out, put thinners, paint thinners in by syringe inside it, gave it a lot of tapping on wood, tap the end of the nozzle on wood so it doesn't damage it, shook it all about, let it soak for a bit, well, you know, just basically just shaking it. Then I made up some test leads and I put it across the battery, and then bang, 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 off it went again. So that was the fix. They just sometimes get muck in them and they just stop. And what I'm going to do, because this filter came with the kit, but what I'm going to do is put another inline filter in after this gauze one at the back there, and have that just a throwaway one, and that should make sure, doubly sure, that we don't get any muck in the system and it failing again, because you know you don't want it to fail. When we were up in Godauri, up in the ski resort, it went down to minus 30 plus. You know, failing then would have been an absolute no-no. So yeah, that's the kind of weather that can kill you. But it worked fine up until what they recommend is you run them in the summer a couple of times for half an hour or so on full bore, shut down on full bore, so they don't get any soot in them, and you end up with a you know, basically a efficient machine that's not going to stagnate for too long. But yeah, when I switched it on, it just wouldn't work. So because it stuck for a bit, that bit of dirt had got through, had seized a little piston that goes inside the dosing pump. So there you go. Just take the pump out, syringe it some, syringe some thinners into it, because obviously the nozzles are very narrow, and let it soak with that. Give it some good shakes, knock on either end on wood, and you can see what the wood I knocked it on, and see all the holes in it. And yeah, put it across a battery, and there's no polarity. You can put positive on one side or the other side, or vice versa, it doesn't matter, and then it'll click away, and then there you go. So take care, thanks for following us, and if you can like, subscribe and click that bell, that'd be brilliant. Okay, we'll catch you later. Bye bye.